I know y'all don't want me talking a whole bunch, so we're gonna jump right into the footage. Y'all wanna see that beautiful creation finish? Stick to the end. So hey, I got my chicken soaking in some salt water and vinegar right there for a little while, just to clean it off. And I'm just showing you two of the main ingredients. Really just the mustard is the main ingredients. And right here, I'm just putting them in the bowl. Y'all don't have to do it this way. You can put all of the chicken in there at one time and season it, but I just decided to do half and half. So I'm gonna show you the seasoning I'm gonna use, which of course, mustard. I'm gonna put some hot sauce in there, onion powder, LAWRYS, garlic powder, and pepper. Not too many crazy seasons. Just, you know, the mustard and the hot sauce kind of already gives it some flavor anyway. So first I'm gonna go in with the mustard. Of course, it's mustard fried chicken. Next, I'm gonna go in with the hot sauce. And look, I said I had one that wasn't open just for display when I showed y'all, but I just got one that's open. So went in with the hot sauce, not too much. You can put as much hot sauce as you want. If I was just eating this on my own, I would have added a lot more hot sauce. So I went in with the pepper and the onion powder. Now I'm going in with the garlic powder. And this Sam's Club garlic powder is different. I'm telling you, I don't know why it's more different than the one from Food Line or whatever, if you know what Food Line is, if you have that there. But it is different. It smells different also. So I did forget the LAWRYS on that layer, but don't worry, I'll make up for it on this top layer. So yeah, like I said, that garlic powder is real powdery, like dust. I never seen anything like that. But anyway, that's enough of that. So again, mustard, hot sauce, put as much hot sauce as you want. Pepper, go in with the onion powder, go in with the garlic powder. And then we're gonna hit it with the LAWRYS. So like I said, I forgot to put it on that first layer. So I'm gonna kind of make up for it on this layer. That's why I'm moving the pieces of chicken around. And I'm sorry for this camera angle, y'all. I don't know what happened to the camera, but it kind of flipped on me or something. So yeah, we're gonna mix it up. Hey, won't need no gloves. We got our nice, clean, washed hands. Hey, get dirty with the hands, baby. That's what they're made for. So yeah, in just a minute, I'm gonna show you a close-up of the chicken and how it looks when it's finished, seasoned. Just to mention about the hot sauce also, some people use that in just regular fried chicken. They put all their seasoning and let it marinate, and they also put hot sauce in it too. So that's just a tip if you want to use hot sauce. I mean, amongst all that meat right there, you're really not gonna taste too much spiciness anyway. But that's how it looks, seasoned. Hey, it looks pretty good to me. What y'all think? So here we go. I got my chicken seasoned. It's been sitting in the fridge for about an hour or so. And I'm using cornstarch instead of regular all-purpose flour. And if you want some good chicken, you got to season your chicken in your flour. So I'm putting pepper, you know, onion powder, garlic powder, and just a little bit of LAWRYS in this cornstarch just to season it also. But yeah, I'm about to make a dusty mess with this. Mix this up, and you see the dust flying everywhere. That's the only thing about cornstarch. You have a dusty mess all over the counter, over everything, man. But use that cornstarch, y'all. That's gonna make it real crispy. The hot sauce and the mustard is gonna make it crispy also. But when you put that cornstarch with it, man, I'm telling you, you come out with some crispy chicken, extra crispy. So I don't even know if I'm gonna use flour anymore. But y'all look, I'm putting this mess in the air fryer thinking I'm trying to be cool, right? But I wish I hadn't even messed with this air fryer. So just really ignore this step right here. I'm gonna just show y'all how it came out. And y'all probably won't use the air fryer to try to fry these anyway. But see, it's been going for about 15, 20 minutes right there. And I'm having to spray so much starch on there. And it was just too much work. So I only did those 4 pieces. I'm gonna just show y'all how they came out. But yeah, we about to do it the real way. We about to fry some chicken, baby. I'm telling you, it was just too much work. Y'all listen to the lady.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So the reason I was, you know, popping that chicken up around in that bowl over there, because I was trying to keep my hands from getting so dusty and sticky. So I ain't trying to clean up the whole dang on kitchen with dusty mess everywhere. So I'm just putting the chicken in there and mixing it up with my hand. You know, I don't want to get everything so dusty, because this cornstarch is something else. But got my pan hot. I'm gonna put about 5 legs in there. That's what I had room for. And yeah, we're gonna let these babies go. And this is not the Friends product. These are the wings that came out of the air fryer. You see, I gave it a thumbs down, but that's what you want right there. That's that good down home lip finger smacking. Hey, I ain't been cooking like your granny in a while, but hey, I'm back to cooking like your granny. What y'all know me for. Hey, but look, that's how the chicken is, you know what I'm saying, so crispy. It looks so crispy. It's done now. And look at that glistening, extra KFC crispy looking, mouth watering, finger smacking, cooking like your granny chicken right there. Whew. Man. That's a beautiful chicken, y'all. And it tastes just as good as it looks, trust me. But just showing y'all how the pieces look, you know, they came out real good. I didn't over fry them. It's still juicy on the inside, so yeah, buddy, that's what we're working with. Look at that. Done did it again. I piled them babies up there for you. You know what I'm saying? I gotta paint that picture. Crispy. So I probably should have a plate for this, but I don't. We're gonna test this over crispy chicken. Took me back to a kid again, y'all. Hey, like I got my first taste of ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Whew.
No.
Words can't explain. I'm telling you.
The hot sauce and the mustard is basically just like a seasoning or a binder, but this fried mustard chicken, smackable. And make sure you use cornstarch, because that's what makes it crispy. Until the next time, we out of here. Peace.